Hello, it's Jana here. Today I would like to complete the Christmas presents. I made apple chutney in the fall and I would like to decorate jars. I'll write the name tags first. I removed the edges of the sheet and now I'm separating the individual stickers because I want to ink the labels so that ink is nice on the edges of the sticker. I will use the classic brown ink, but I use tea and honey color first. So now brown on the edges. I will write the names in black ink. It can look more interesting than with a marker. Apple chutney and the year 2022. Oh, I don't have room for a year. I will probably start writing higher on the next label. So here is my chutney. You can also use other preserves for Christmas gifts. For example, compote, jam, sterilized vegetables. This year I tried plum Nutella. It's a healthier version and it's very good. Yes, that's it. My favorite Christmas fabric. I think this is the last video in the series what to do with this winter themed fabric. I mean, that's the plan. But it could change. Okay, so I want to put this fabric on top of the lid. First, I made a template out of cardstock. I helped myself with a compass. This time, according to the pattern, I will mark a circle directly on the fabric. I don't want it to be curved. And again, I will use zigzag scissors to keep the fabric from fraying and to keep it looking nice. Okay, I have it cut out. I will see if I guessed the size correctly. I think it's just right. Now I need a string. I'll wrap it around 2 times. And cut off the end. I will pull the string, make a knot. Now I can fix the fabric to make it look good. I will use the name tags that I made recently. I'll try to attach it to the string somehow. I would like to put it in the bow. I want to write the recipient's name and Blessed Christmas on the name tag. Well, what do you think? I like it. I will try to make one more version and I will put the name tag directly on the string right next to the lid. This tag? No, I used this embossed tag on previous jar. I put the tag first and then I make the knot and bow. Okay, and a bow. Small correction. Look at it. Which one do you like better? I like the first version better. The tags would certainly look good without strings, I think. Okay, now I'm going to put the stickers on the jars. The ink is definitely dry. I think I will use more brownish inks for the next labels. But it's cute, isn't it? I think it's a nice gift. So have a great time. Bye bye.